Evangelina Shrestha from grade 8.
And I am Somrat Giri from grade 7.
Parents, get ready to witness power, discipline and courage on this stage.
Taekwondo is not just a sport. It teaches our self-defense, respect and focus to us.
Our talented students are ready to demonstrate their skills from powerful kicks to impressive stunts.
So all of you sit tightly because things are about to be intense.
So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
अटल यो झुकेन यो कहिले लाग्दैन यो कहिले सङ्गी निशान हाम्रो हिमाल झै अटल यो